Hello, friends and traders. This is Punam. Welcome to my channel, FinMarket View, your guide to smart market moves. Please look at the disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. All right, let's dive into the charts. Broad market update weekend edition. We'll start with SPX S&P 500 index. SPX this Friday closed at 5686 on Friday, and last 5 days we have a strong positive momentum in the market from all the way from 5475 to 5686. The momentum still to the upside, and but look for the 5700 5800 is a slowdown area on SPX near term, and we also have a death cross area on the price collision between 50 EMA and also 200-day moving average. So definitely watchable areas on overhead supply on SPX 5700 and 5800 is a near term sell areas. Definitely watchable areas near term on SPX 500. Any price pullback to the 5400 5350 is a buying opportunity on SPX on a short term level, and obviously 5300 is still a buying opportunity. These two levels, any pullback to this area is a buying opportunity on SPX. Moving on to SPY ETF Spider, we have a momentum upside and momentum still upside on SPY, and price can halt 575 585 overhead supply near term. Any pullback to 550 545 is a short-term short-term demand, and 525 515 is still a daily demand zone on SPY. So sell areas are 575 585 and SPY. Buy areas are 525 515 and 555 45 on SPY. Moving on to Nasdaq index also momentum is up last couple of days, still upside, and I see this 21,000 is a major overhead supply on the Nasdaq index, and also it just touched the 200 SMA. So price is still above 50 EMA, but is right now is testing 200 SMA test. So overhead supply 21,000, near-term demand back to 18,000. This area is a near-term demand. Moving on to triple Qs also based on equities. Last couple of days momentum still upside, but major areas are 495 500 is a sell areas on QQQ on a short term any pullback. So anything 450 or 440 is a buying opportunity on triple Q ETF. Moving on to TQQ is right now price 59. The watchable overhead supply on 6570 is sell areas. Any pullback to 40 is a buying opportunity on TQQ. 6575 sell areas, and also 80 is a major sell areas on TQQ. Moving on to Dow Jones Industrial DJI, price is held up in this market slowly, momentum upside, but this 42,000 is a major sell area on Dow Jones, also death cross of 200-day and 50-day moving average collision. So watchable areas on overhead supply on Dow Jones. Moving on to DIA Diamond ETF, right now we just price touched the 50 EMA 413, price closed at 413, momentum still up a little bit, but major sell areas on DIA is 425 430 is a sell opportunity if you're taking a profit on this area. Any pullback is 380 is a low, is a buying opportunity on DIA. Moving on to Russell Small Cap Index, Russell have a momentum upside last couple of days, and 21, 25, 2200 is a sell area, a major sell area on Russell Index. Any pullback to 1850, 900 is a buying opportunity on the Russell Small Cap Index. Moving on to IWM ETF. IWM ETF is close to 200 price range, near-term supply 205 210 and major supply in 215 220. Buying opportunity 185. IWM is a major supply 205 210 and also 215 220 is supply areas, but initial pullback to the 185 180 is a buying opportunity on IWM. Moving on to our volatility index VIX, since S&P was going up and obviously our volatility was going down, so definitely any watchable areas on 2118, another dip down, and then we expect volatility spike to at least the 40ish area on VIX. That gives the S&P 500 to go down a little bit. Moving on to crude oil. Crude oil shows a weakness again, so definitely watchable areas are 55 and 50 on crude oil. So definitely, if the price push back to here, that's where you're gonna buy oil stocks on crude oil. So look for 55 is a major buy opportunity on crude oil. Moving on to gold. Gold futures, right now the price is held at 3250 sell buying demand area, so price is still held. So is we have to check how, if the price gonna held or is gonna push back down to 3000ish area. But this 3000 and 2900 is a major buy support areas on gold on GLD futures. The last two charts are our dollar index and Bitcoin. So let's take a look at the dollar index. Dollar index actually price held this area 99 and 97 is a buying opportunity. Still price is holding. So if the price, we can run this, push this dollar index back to 103 and 104,750. And last chart is our Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin have a tremendous rally last couple of days, and you see that major supply is 98,103. Any pullback to 86,000 and 87 is a buying opportunity. So wait for retracement on 86 and 83 on Bitcoin. These are the weekend edition. Thank you. Thank you all to share my thoughts on the markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a market update. Stay happy, stay fit, stay healthy, and have a safe trading and investing.